Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and set up your Mailmodo Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on Install. You're going to search for the account in which you want to install the app. Once you search, click on the account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then the custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy the custom link, head over back to your account, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. Select the link icon. You're going to enter the link name, scroll down and paste your custom menu link. Here you're going to select your account. And here you're going to select who can see this link. You'll be taking all. Once you're done, click on Save. Switch to your account, search for your custom menu link, click on it, search for your app, and click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where we have access to the documentation. Under the tutorial, we're going to have access to a Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up your app. First thing, we're going to head over to your account online, click on Settings, click on API Keys. In case you don't have an API key created yet, you're going to click on Add API Key. You're going to enter your API key name and click on Up. There you go, your API key has been created. So you're going to click on Show API Key, copy your API key, and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup, paste your API key, and click on Complete Setup. As you can see, your app has been successfully connected. We currently have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a support ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates or the changes of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.